Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox Low Memory Warning on iPhone or iPad. So basically it's two reasons. First one is you don't have enough storage on your phone, and other is you don't have enough physical RAM. So the first thing what you need to do here, and what's suggested to do here, is to go to settings, then you need to go to general, then go to iPhone storage. And then if you have here less than 2 GB of storage on your phone, try to basically delete some apps that you don't use and have more than 2 GB for Roblox. And after that, what you need to do here is to look for Roblox app, then press offload app, and then wait for a couple of seconds and reinstall. Simply what it does, it will reinstall your app, and if there is some corrupted data, it will be fixed. So you just need to wait for a couple of seconds until it's done, and then try to launch the app. Still, if this do not work, then go back to general tab here, go to software update, and then make sure you are running on the latest software on iPhone. And then if there is some update, just install it and restart your phone. Also, then look what apps you're running here and try to disable them here. Disable them all, and then after that relaunch the app on Roblox and look if the problem persists or not, but it should definitely fix your problem. So that's pretty much it.